Hey guys, good evening. So if you are all able to see my screen, you can type S in the chat box so that we can get started with the demo and the plan. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So guys, what's the plan and all? Let me open a tool, okay, just to explain what new batch we are starting and how it is different from our general training batch. Okay, so there may be some people who are already enrolled into this, and there may be some people who have enrolled only into a training thing. So what is this thing all about? So the new batch that we are going to announce is all about live automation using Selenium Java. Okay, for various projects. Not just one project, guys, various projects we will take. Okay. Live automation using Selenium Java for various projects and challenges. We'll also solve some challenges which ultimately cannot be solved by normal people. Okay. We'll take some difficult challenges and try to solve them during the sessions. The entire session will be automation session. If you are not into any project in your company, if you are not into any project in your company, you are still doing manual testing and you didn't get a chance to work on a test automation project, then this is the thing for you. Okay, then this is a thing for you. So using Selenium Java, we are going to automate an end-to-end application first, followed by many other challenges and stuff. This particular, okay, thing is going to start on today is the webinar, right? We are going to start tomorrow. That is Thursday. Okay. Thursday, we are going to start, guys, 17th at 7 p.m. IST. Okay. The timing is 7 p.m. IST. Okay. At 7 p.m. IST, we are going to start. Weekdays, weekdays at 7 p.m. IST. This batch is going to start, guys. The duration of this is 1 hour. Okay. And you may ask me how many days? No end, guys. Okay. Because we kept on, we'll keep on doing some challenges. We keep on automating some challenges. If you are unable to attend the sessions, you have the recordings also. You can practice at your own pace. Okay. So this is an end-to-end automation thing. First, we'll start automating 500 plus test cases. This just dedicated for this automation, live automation purpose only, guys. We'll not discuss or train anything on any other stuff. 500 plus test cases of an application, of a real application, will be automated first. Okay, in between also, just to take a break, we may solve some challenges also, some automation challenges also will solve. But by doing this training program, you guys will be very good at automation. Okay, you'll get a feel like you have already automated an application. Okay, so that's the plan, guys. So let's see whether my Xmind has launched new. Just give me a second. So that I'll give more details here. This batch is going to start tomorrow, guys. This batch is going to start tomorrow at 7 p.m. IST onwards. Okay. Live automation of real applications using Selenium Java. Okay. Various projects, not just one project, various projects will take. Okay. Different projects will take various projects. Various challenges will be automated here. Various challenges. Okay. Even though they are complex and difficult also, they will be automated here. So this will become your side hustle project, guys. Side hustle project. Hustle projects. It's not project, it's projects. This is a dedicated batch, okay? In our normal batch also, we may take some project and automate and show you real time, okay? On a weekend basis or something. But this thing is a dedicated, completely will be on automation only, okay? From the day one itself, we'll choose something, we'll keep automating something, we'll learn something, we'll solve some new automation challenges and keep on going like that, okay? Whatever that is required for real time automation that we are going to cover. I don't think no one in the industry has done this so far, okay? So a small demo, how it looks like and all. For example, you see, guys, there is a project here, live automation project. This is what I'm going to do tomorrow. So I'll take one. There is a, I created like 500 plus test cases. Okay. I created like 500 plus test cases. You see, this is an e-commerce application which has register related test cases. There are around, 27 test cases identified under register functionality. There are like 23 test cases under identified under login functionality. Together, total, we have around 507. That is 500 plus test cases are there. Okay. Together, we have around 500 plus test cases are there, guys. We are going to start with the first test case. In the register functionality, we are going to start with the first test case according to the given steps and expected results. Okay, we'll use Selenium, Java, and TestNG and any other related stuff. Okay, to automate these test cases one by one. Okay, to automate these test cases one by one. This separate batch. Okay, this separate batch. If you already have enrolled in my training batch, for this dedicated end-to-end automation thing, you have to enroll again. Okay, you are not eligible. Okay, you are eligible you are eligible only if you have joined my internship batch. Okay, if you have joined my training batch, you are not eligible, guys. Okay, so only the people who are into my internship program are eligible for this batch. They don't have to pay anything. But the people who have not enrolled into my internship, okay, who have enrolled only into my training thing, they have to separately pay money for this enrolling this batch. Fine, clear now, guys? Any questions, any doubts about this? Any questions, any doubts so far? I'll give a small demo. Anyhow, this is a demo thing, right? I'll give a small demo. You see, first test case we have I have already automated. You see, verify registering an account by providing only the mandatory fields. Open the application URL and all these steps. And these are the expected results. Okay, you see, I have written all the code to open the browser, maximize it, open the application URL, and then click on the My Account drop menu, select the register option. Okay. And then step by step, I'll show you how to write this code and all. Okay. And enter all the details, click on the continue button, then, verifying using the TestNG assertions, randomly generating the email with timestamp because this particular test requires that. Everything is there. I'll show you how does it run. You see, what is the test case that we have automated here? We can see that here. You'll open the browser, maximize the browser, open the application page URL, register the account. Once the registering you see, the test is passed. Like this is only one test case we have automated. Like this, we are going to automate initially 500 plus test cases. Yes, you can directly enroll. You can directly enroll in this batch. Okay. You don't have to be part of my training, general training, in order to be part of this. Okay. That is separate. This is separate. If you want to be part of both, you can be part. If you are not into Selenium Java training yet, you can enroll in my training batch. And if you're already have the knowledge of Selenium Java automation, then you can enroll in this batch directly. You don't have to take my general Selenium Java training. Okay. Yes, we'll use everything over a period of time, not in the beginning days. Initially, it will be, like this, very draft wise, it will be there. I have used main method while demonstrating this after I converted into TestNG test. Okay. So future, right, we'll go to Cucumber BDD. The main idea here is to solve a lot of challenges, guys. Okay. The things keep changing. We'll automate a lot of things and we'll implement a lot of frameworks in this process at some point of time and, we'll get this done. Yes, BDD Cucumber frameworks, everything will be covered. Don't worry. Okay. BDD Cucumber framework, TestNG, page object model, page factory, extend reports, and everything will be covered to you guys. This is something we want to mimic the real time projects. Okay. Whatever we want to do here is to mimic the real time projects. Yes, we can run through the commands, Jenkins, GitHub. Okay. Yes, Ram, like we are starting with Selenium Java first. Later, later part will be we'll be moving to other automation tools also. Okay, it's not just about Selenium Java automation. Yes, we can automate mobile using APM or API using REST Assured in the coming days. Okay, but initially we'll start with Selenium Java and challenges part. It's a dedicated thing for live automations. Okay. Initially, it will start with Selenium Java because that is what everyone wants, and after that we can move to any other thing that we want. Don't This is not training. This is not training. Okay. Sandeep and all, this is not training. As part of training, I'll be covering API testing using Postman and all. Here, whatever I cover will be live thing. Okay. realistic thing. We have to take an application, automate it, or we have to take an application and test it like that. Okay. Yes, after this, right, you can easily, you have 9 years of experience, right? It doesn't matter what experience you have, any experience you can put it, because no matter what, everyone does the same thing, right? Whether 3 years experience person does the same thing, 5 years will do the same thing, 10 years will do the same thing. The skill sets will differ. That's it. Okay. Venkata, it's like you can keep whatever the amount of experience, but you have to mix it up. Okay. These are the projects I have done, some into manual, some into automation, like that you have to put. Okay. Venkata Suresh, hope I have answered your question. It's not particular like this much experience, that much experience. This is a side hustle project, guys. There is no end to this. Okay. There is no end to this. We keep on automating something live. Okay. One time sign up and lifetime access. Again, the same thing. Okay. There's one time sign up and lifetime access. For this live automation side hustle projects, one time sign up is required. One time sign up and lifetime access. Okay. We keep on doing the stuff every day. Okay. People keep joining, in between also they will join, because we keep on doing something new only. Okay. So timing I mentioned, right? 7 a.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. IST. Okay. To 8 p.m. IST. To 8 p.m. IST. We'll have the session. Okay. And price will be, it's a one-time sign up price. Price will be rupees 4,999. Okay. This is the price we are charging. So this side hustle project, everything will be real time. Okay. We'll start with Selenium Java and we will move on to the realistic stuff, more realistic stuff. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Venkata Suresh. Yes. Yes. Thank you for that. Great. Great. Good to know. Yeah, we'll take different applications like Orange HRM, tutorials, Ninja, and all. But to get the people understand the things and all, to get to one phase, right? We'll use one application. After that, we'll move to whatever we want. Okay, we'll keep automating something, because there is no end for this training program. One time sign up like a university, you have to join that. You have to keep on automating something. And if you guys are also interested in doing some side projects, like while this is going on, if you want to automate some other thing, we can do that. Okay, together. Yeah, Amazon, Flipkart, it's not ethical to automate such kind of applications, Krupal. Okay, Amazon, Flipkart, to some extent we can automate, but not everything, because Amazon will detect you. Okay, if you're running some automation scripts on them, they will detect you. Okay, you can. It's not possible. We have to mimic the real applications. We have to take at least Orange HRM or something and then do it. Okay, but not directly on Amazon or Google or something. We cannot do it. Okay, and they will be very complex and it won't be possible. Okay, until unless we have the access to the developers, we cannot automate Amazon or Gmail or Google kind of applications. So, like, if you want to enroll, who you need to reach? You need to reach out to Javed, who is the one who will help you in enrolling process. I'll be only teaching you and training you, but the one who will help you is Javed. Okay, if you're already part of internship group, you don't have to do anything, guys. Okay, if, you're already attending, I know. Okay, internship people, you don't have to pay any extra money. The 3 months thing and all, you don't have to do anything. It's lifetime access for you already. Okay, I have discussed with the team and decided that. Okay, so anyone who newly joins to this particular program, okay, just for automation, live automation purpose, apart from my training, they don't have to subscribe to my training. They can separately join this also. If you already have knowledge of Selenium Java, you can directly join here. If you don't have the knowledge of Selenium Java, I recommend you to join my two of my batches. Okay, one is at 8 p.m. IST. Another batch I'm running at 8 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST in the evening. Okay, so there I'm training you, teaching you the stuff. Okay, another one is going on weekends. On every weekend we have something new. So where we'll not stop with just Selenium Java, and we have a lot of plans there on the weekends. Okay, it's a weekend crash course kind of stuff, where our intention is to cover a lot of stuff for you, not just Selenium Java automation, manual testing, mobile testing. Every weekend we have something. Okay, there. Yeah, fee of the this is rupees 4,999. Okay. Now you don't have to call it as a internship. You can call it as a real application. If you want, we'll provide you some internship certificates and all that. So no, don't worry about that. Okay. Yes, over a period of time will include different type of testing. Mainly security will focus. Performance, I'm not into performance much. Okay, so I cannot assure you on performance, but to some extent we'll do that. Okay. Yeah, new batch will of new training batch will start from November 1st. Okay, November 1st, the new training batch for Selenium Java will start. But this one is going to start tomorrow only. Okay, this one is going to start tomorrow. Okay. This one is going to start tomorrow. Live automation of real applications using Selenium Java for now is getting started tomorrow itself. Okay. Anyone is interested, anyone is part of my trainings but not part of my internship or okay, they are not part of this dedicated live automation of real applications thing. You can join ASAP. Okay. Javed is the one who you need to contact. Okay. I'll give you the details of Javed here. We have a separate Telegram group, open one. Anyone can join here. If you want to reach out to Javed, you can reach out here. If you have any if you are facing any problems, okay, if you are facing any problems, you can let me know. Okay, you can let me know on my WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll also give my WhatsApp number. Don't call me, guys, but you can WhatsApp me. Okay, if you are not unable to register with Javed's help, then you can let me know. This is my WhatsApp number. You can pick me. Okay, fine. So various projects means one e-commerce application will be there. Okay, we'll take one, because e-commerce application, why I recommend is already test cases are ready, guys. It's ever ready kind of stuff. We can directly get started. That's the reason we'll go with the start with the e-commerce application dedicatedly. A lot of challenges will come, guys. Don't underestimate the e-commerce application. A lot of challenges will come in this, okay? Test cases. It's not as simple as, okay? It's not as simple as this, okay? So a lot of things we have to automate and, a lot of challenges. No, limited seats we are not, maybe the marketing team may decide that, but ultimately at this point of time, we have not thought of any limited seats at this moment. Okay. But having so is also good to some extent. We'll decide. Okay. For now, we don't have any plans, but based on the type of number of people who are registering, right, we'll announce that soon. Okay, in the groups. See, anyhow, the slots are open today. You can join. Yes. What is that? Any other questions, guys? Okay. So let me give the details of Javed and all Javed details. You can take a screenshot, guys, and also post in the chat. You can take from the chat. Any questions are there? I'll also, get yourself enrolled with the help of Javed. If not, then only come to me. Okay. Fine. What is that, Venkatesh Suresh? What is the question you have? Big doubt. If we get certificate in that, we'll have pass date. What does it mean? Okay, certificate all depends on how many days you are with us as part of this training. Okay, from the day one onwards, for example, from 17th it will start till what date you are with us. We'll give you the certificate. Whenever you ask, right, we'll calculate from 17th of this October to the timeline. Okay, it will not have the past date on that particular day. We'll give you that. Okay, clear na, Venkat Suresh? Will not give you the past date. We'll give you the timeline. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's all within us, right? We can do whatever the customization you want. Yes, we can do that. No, don't worry about the repository, pull and merge and exercise. All these things we'll do. Okay, don't worry about that. That pull and merge also will do it. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, it's like just practicing real time stuff like pulling and merging and working in real time also will be covered. Don't worry. Okay, GitHub, Jenkins, everything real time will be covered to you. Yes, everything will be covered. Real-time automation, frameworks, implementation of the frameworks, okay, and improvising the framework over a period of time, and then GitHub, Jenkins, setup things, and all the stuff. Whatever that is required for real time will be covered. Teaching will not be provided. Training will not be provided here. It's all about implementation part. Okay, how things happen in real time. How much of knowledge you should have for getting a job, and proving you that you already have worked on a project. Okay, somewhere else. Okay, that's what is the intention.
Hi, Arun. Good evening.
Yes. Good evening,
Yeah,
Joel.
this is Anthony.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
So, currently I'm a working professional, so I won't be able to attend the live class by 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So
Mhm.
instead, will this be recorded and it will be kept somewhere so that I can access post
Yes,
9
it will
p.m.
be
every day?
recorded. I have two plans. I just want to ask you guys, like, one thing is that, what if I move it down to 7:30 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. Okay, so there are, like, if you want it to be at 7:30 p.m., I'll take from 7:30 to 8:30, and the next session training will be there for other people, right? I'll take it for 8:30 to 9:30 for them. Okay, that's one plan I have with me. So what do you say, guys? Like, do you want it at 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m.? You have to let me know. What is the time you want? 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m.? I want everyone to type in the chat box so that I can. No, no, no. Morning, I am not available, guys. Okay. Morning, just, morning, I am not available. Okay. Depending on it, I will take an average, guys. Depending on your input, I'll take average. 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I'll take an average. Okay. And then decide. Yes, I can provide recordings will be there. Don't worry. Okay. Google Drive recordings will be there. Each and everything will be recorded and provided to you. Don't worry. If you are unable to attend also, you can watch the recording at your free time. No problem at all. Okay. Every day recording will be there for you. Don't worry about that. Okay. Separate folder I'll create and Google Drive folder and I'll share you the recordings. Okay.
Okay, so you mean to say every day we can access that recording post 9 p.m., correct? If possible.
Sometimes it may get a delay, okay, because the recording will take some time in my machine to get saved, okay. So that will be a problem. So based on that, okay, exactly I cannot say, but most probably by end of the day or next day morning you will get it.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
I'll try my level best
Sir,
as soon as possible. Yeah,
yeah, sir, Kirti here. I
yeah, Keith.
joined bit late. I wanted
No
to
problem.
understand the duration of course.
There is no duration, there is no end point. Okay, we'll start tomorrow, and this is going to be a side hustle project. We keep on automating the stuff. Okay, some new
Uh,
challenges and various applications will automate on the go basis. Okay,
any rough idea like 6 months, 4 months like that.
no, 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 no. There is no end point. You see, this is your lifetime side hustle project. Something new, if you want to learn every day, this is the thing for you. This is not a training
Okay,
program or something. This is not a training program. We have the training program separately. This one is live automation where we'll pick some test cases. We'll keep automating. If that test case is done, we'll go to another test case. We keep on doing something every day, something new. Okay.
but
So
it will be every day, right?
it will be every day. People keep joining in between also. Like,
Okay,
it's not that you have to join on the first day itself. People can join in between also. Okay. So there is no problem because if every day we'll take one test case and automate. So like that, okay, some different challenges we'll take, and our ultimate idea is to automate an end-to-end application first so people can join, because today register account functionality will be there, tomorrow some other login functionality will be there, but automation will be same na most of the cases, but maybe new experience will come. Post recordings will be there, previous recordings will be there, everything will be there for you, no problem at all.
okay, sir. Thank
Got it na? Okay, there is no end
you.
end for this thing, only one time subscription and you are eligible for all the future, okay, live automation stuff.
Okay, sure. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, sir. This side Sujit.
Yeah, Sujit, tell me.
So, sir, I have joined the batch too, but due to the health issue, I can't join further. So,
Hmm.
it will be good for me to join this one
This
automation,
this
live
one is
automation.
not a training batch. This one is not training. This is directly implementation.
Okay, because I don't have any knowledge about the Java and Selenium, so that's why I'm
Hmm.
asking you.
If you don't have any knowledge about Selenium Java, currently some session next batch is going to start on November 1st, Sujit. You can join there. Okay. You don't have
Okay,
to
so
pay
after the
anything. You don't have to pay anything for that. You already enrolled in batch 2, right? So the next batch you
yeah,
are by default eligible. But at the same time, parallelly, if you want to join this, you can join also. Okay. No one is
okay,
going to stop. Okay. If you
okay,
feel that,
okay,
okay, I'll be part of that, I'll be part of this. Okay, let me handle this parallelly. Because I don't think it will be difficult initially. Okay. For a period of time, it
yeah,
will become. So maybe you can join this and you can wait for the next batch which is going to start at November 1st. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you please tell me the timing for November first batch, like the training batch?
November
What will
1st
be the
batch will
timing?
be in the evening hours only, Joel, Anthony, like 8 p.m.
Okay. Okay.
8
Thank you.
p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. So as most of
Yeah.
the people
Okay.
have voted for, some people have voted for 7:30, some people have voted for 7 p.m. I'll make it 7:15. Okay. So I'll just make this batch as 7:15 as an average. Let's not make it 7:30 or 7. Let make it 8:15. Okay, max. Okay. So the next evening batch will be at 8:30 p.m. Okay. So even November first thing will be also at 8:15. So I'll have to take a break of 15 minutes at least, right? So 7:15 to 8:15, and from 8:15 the training batch will start. Okay. So this is only live automation detailed batch, whereas other batch is only training batch. Okay.
Yeah, clear. Thanks.
Yeah, and on the top of that, the people who enroll for my training batch, right, they can also attend weekend crash courses kind of stuff. Okay, every weekend we'll do something new there. Okay, it will be very dedicated. Like on a weekend, we'll take around 7 to 8 hours also. Sometimes on Saturday, 7 to 8 hours on Sunday, and we'll finish very good topic on the 2 days. It keeps on going. Okay, that also keeps on going. People can join anytime. Um,
So
currently,
I want to ask,
yes.
yeah, I want to ask about the weekend crash course. So it will cover all the topics.
Yes. Weekend crash course is the main way we are going to cover a lot of other stuff. Okay. The reason we have created the weekend crash course is that we can cover a lot of other things. Okay. Since we are pending on API and all those stuff, right? We are planning on weekends only. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the plan. We want to finish up the things faster on the weekend because weekdays are taking time. So weekends we'll dedicate for one topic, and it may be API one time. It can be mobile automation one time, like that. Some different topics will be there. Or some people are asking for Selenium Python. That may be on one weekend. Selenium C Sharp will be on one weekend. Okay, manual testing we didn't cover it. Okay, that will be on one weekend, like that, and go on, so on. Okay. So weekend crash courses are like, fast track courses. If you're already part of the training, you don't have to register again for the weekend. Weekend is already available for the training people.
Yeah, yeah.
Only for live automation detail things, that is a separate enrollment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remaining all trainings, you can directly attend. If you're already part of my current batches, you can directly attend. No need to worry.
Okay.
Yes, Rahul, that's correct. One payment, or you can attend all the classes. You don't have to pay anymore. Okay. The side hustle project keep on continues, and you just have to, and recordings will be there with you if you are unable to attend. Okay. It keeps on going. Okay. All the recordings on a daily basis will be uploaded there. Okay.
What is
Uh,
the cost for that
yes.
training session? What is the cost for that training section?
It's 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees INR.
Okay, for everything like this one and the training also, whatever
Training
the.
separate 5,000 again. Only for real time automation, 5,000. And if you want to be part of training and that weekend things and all other stuff, that is 5,000. These both are separate.
Okay, that we that have any end dates? Huh?
That keeps on going. Batches keep on happening and completing. I told you, right? The current batch is going to end on, this month end, and November 1st we are going to start a new batch.
Okay.
Mostly it will be done in 2 months. Within 2 months it will be completed. 45 days to 2 months. Okay, most probably.
Okay.
Yes, Sujit. Anyone have any other questions? Regarding the placement assistance, Harshita, you have to reach out to Javed. Okay. We have something. We have something. You have to reach out to Javed. Javed will help you out on that. Okay. I'm not into that. The team is taking care of the placements and all those stuff. Okay. Okay, Ram. Ram and Harshita. Okay. You can reach out to Javed here and explore about the placement options. They will provide you more clarity on that. Okay. What type of placement options and what is currently going on, they'll give you the update. Fine. Yes, for this you need to have the prior knowledge of Selenium Java. If you don't have the Selenium Java knowledge or any other knowledge, better to enroll in my training group and parallelly attend this if you want. Okay. So much clear now. You have to enroll both of my sessions, both of my batches. This is a real time automation, live application automation batch, which is separate thing, and training batch is separate. Okay. Maybe I'll try to make it easy, but still, better to attend the training. I'm not saying that completely it will be like, Chinese language or something. It will be easy only. But if you have any doubts, I can clear. That's okay. But ultimately, if you have some knowledge, that is better. Okay. Yeah, it will be completely different training. Rahul, it's like, 100x you can say. Okay. Our live trainings are 100x. Okay. Whatever we have in the YouTube channel or Udemy courses and all the stuff, right? It will be different, completely different. Okay. Our trainings are going to be different and lively. And because we have different people attending the sessions, and you will gain a lot of insights. Those are self-recorded videos. Whatever I want to express, I express it in Udemy courses and YouTube videos. But coming to these live sessions, right? Kind of difference will be there in terms of discussions, doubts clearing and many other stuff. Okay. A lot of things will be different. Okay. So got it, Rahul? How it will be different? Everything cannot be covered, recorded, right? So something like different, depending on different type of people and discussion and all, will make the things different. Okay, it will definitely different from the recorded content. Oh, then Somesh, you can join, no problem. Okay, BDD Cucumber, if you don't know, also you can join. Maybe at the same time you can enroll for my November 1st batch also, which is going to start. The enrollments will start there. Okay, you can check out with Javid and the BDD Cucumber. Also, you can join. Currently, we are about to move towards the BDD Cucumber at 8 p.m. That 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. thing. Also, we are moving to the BDD Cucumber thing only. We are nearby. Okay, our framework concepts are going on in the evening hours in the current batch. You don't even have to wait for the next batch so much. Okay, in that case. How to enroll? You need to message and call to Javid here. Okay, you can check the details of Javid, right? Via Telegram or WhatsApp. You have to reach out to Javid. Sheetal, clear na? Manual testing will not start. It's not compulsory, Rahul, to, manual testing will cover on one weekend. Okay. On one weekend, manual testing will be covered. Okay. Don't worry about that, Rahul. Okay. If you're part of the training, manual testing will be covered on one weekend. Okay. As a crash course. Don't worry. We'll complete in just 2 days. Everything I'll cover in depth. Okay. About manual testing. If not, I'll extend to one more weekend. Not a problem. Fine. Clear na, Rahul? Okay. Don't worry, everything will be covered. Training will be separate, but live automation will be separate. So make sure that you are aware of that. Okay. And some people who are already aware of Selenium Java but not aware of Cucumber BD, don't worry. Currently, the 8:30 batch is going on. Okay. In the evening hours, you can attend that where you will get the knowledge. We are almost at the Cucumber BDD only. You can join there. Okay. Frameworks are going on. We'll soon reach out to the Cucumber BDD soon. Okay. Always it will be all direction. It will be possible, guys. Something will keep going on in our university. Okay. It's not our trainings. We generally don't call this as trainings. We'll call this as university. You are just joining our universities. Okay. So just join our universities and things keep repeating. You don't have to pay anything. All the upcoming training sessions, okay, will be free. Okay. Only one time subscription. Yes, I'll cover various domains. Don't worry about that. I'll cover various domains. That's what I mentioned, right? Various other applications from different domains we'll try to automate. We'll not stop with one application. We'll keep on moving to another application because it's a never ending side hustle projects. Okay. These are never ending side hustle projects. Something new will keep coming up. Okay.
Sir, in real-time project, what are the framework we are going to, whether it will be only Cucumber BDD or it will be hybrid or how?
You see, Cucumber, BDD, hybrid, just those are the terminologies. Ultimately, what we need to use in real time is something, right? We'll mix up everything. That Cucumber, BDD is also hybrid only, right? Okay, Cucumber BDD is also hybrid only. What is the difference? If you say without Cucumber BDD means hybrid test ng page object model page factory, we say. If you say with BDD, that's a design, one design patterns are there here. Cucumber BDD is for a different purpose. We'll implement something there. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Okay. We'll improvise the frameworks. There are different types of frameworks are available in the market. We'll implement everything. Don't worry about that. Okay. We'll cover frameworks also in depth in this process.
Okay, sir. Thank
Depending on the project, we have to choose a framework, right? So we will be automating different projects for a period of time. We'll be learning different stuff. Okay. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. And any small issues or doubts also I'll clear up, guys. Don't worry during the sessions. Okay. Things will be very cordial and down to earth and all. And whatever the questions you ask, we'll patiently explain you. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone have any other questions regarding this new batch that's going to... So I explained about two things, right? Live automation is one batch, other batch. No, no, no. It will be sufficient, Krupal. It will be sufficient. Okay. It's a never-ending thing, right, Krupal? If you have to, complete in just 2 months, right? I can, whatever you said is right, okay? Okay, whatever you said is right, okay? But it's never ending side hustle project, so you don't have to worry about the timeline. 1 hour is fine. More than enough. 1 hour is more than enough. If you face challenges, we will take it tomorrow. We'll do some homework. Okay, we'll come together and solve it in the next day. Okay, that's how it works. We don't have to be there entire day, right? It's better to have some basic knowledge of core Java and Selenium at least, not completely. It's better to learn. Okay, so at least some basic should be there. Some basic. If you are able to run a Java program, that is good. Okay, but you will understand. At the end of the day, if you don't have the knowledge, also you'll understand. No problem at all. Okay. But I recommend having something. Tomorrow will start. Okay. Tomorrow and day
Yes.
after tomorrow will do something. Okay.
Shall I ask one question?
Yes, yes.
Is this any other different project or any other usual Selenium automation, Selenium Java kind of session, or is any other various? This
Okay.
is live automation.
Yes, it's
This
live
is
automation. Using
this
Selenium
is
Java will start. Using Selenium Java only will start.
yes. Currently, we have 4 batches. That kind of teaching only here. Any other different stuff?
That will be different there. In the training side, we are only going with the concepts and all, right? Here, live automation will be there. We'll be directly implementing straightforward. No trainings at all. No teaching, only implementation.
Yes, I am, and also I am part of the batch 1.
Mm. Okay.
Uh, shall I attend this? Shall I attend this live
You cannot
automation real
attend
time
this if
project?
you don't enroll. If you are part of batch one, batch two, batch three, batch four, this is separate initiative. You cannot be part of this. Okay, this is a separate thing.
And also
If you are part
I
of
am part of
internship,
the internship also.
then no need to pay anything. You don't directly come and attend the sessions. Okay.
First 3 months I paid 5,000. After
No,
that
no, no. No need to worry
I
about that 3 months stuff. That I have talked to the team and eliminated that concept. Okay. So it's a lifetime only there also. Okay. Don't worry about that. Fine.
yeah, okay. Can I
You can be
attend?
directly part of this. If you're already part of our internship group, right? You are already part of this. No need to worry. Okay. For new people,
Yes.
if they don't know Selenium Java, they have to join my
Yes,
training
thank
batch
you.
separately. If they already have some knowledge of Selenium Java, they have to join this live automation thing if they are interested. Okay.
And also I joined in this laterally 9 o'clock only. I joined. Can you explain this overview some high level?
Yeah, this is very simple. You see, there's nothing here. We are going to automate various applications or projects. Okay, starting with e-commerce application, where we have 500 plus test cases that we are going to start and automate them, and various other applications also we are going to automate. Okay, and various challenges also we are going to take and automate them. Okay, and this is going to be a side hustle projects for you. Okay, if you didn't get any, in your real time companies or something, you didn't get an opportunity of working on a project, or if you are a fresher, you don't have any idea of automation and you didn't automate anything, then this is for you. This is going to be a side hustle project where every day something new will keep coming and we'll keep automating something. Okay. And this is one time sign up and lifetime access. And the timing is 7:15 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. IST. And the price is 5,000. And the people who are part of the training but not part of the internship, they have to pay it separately. And the people who are coming newly, right? They already have the knowledge of Selenium Java. They want to join it separately. They can join also. No problem at all. Okay. It's not compulsory
Is
to
this
attend my
only
training.
yes, work days only or weekend also it's applicable?
Only weekdays. Only weekdays it will be there. Weekends, right? We have crash courses, right? We cannot take it on weekends. Okay. Only weekdays.
Yeah,
Five
okay.
days per week. 5 days per week. Okay. Monday to Friday.
Yes. Yeah,
And
okay.
if anyone is interested, they are like if they have not enrolled and want to enroll freshly, or only part of my training, or who want to join this, whatever the means. Okay. They have to reach out to Javed here. These are the details of Javed. That's what I covered so far. Nothing much. Okay.
So Java collections knowledge also needs for this.
Not initially. Maybe if you can be part of my training, right, everything will be covered to you there. Okay. So it's
And
better to, over a period of
what is
time,
the
it will be required, because you see, collections may be required at some point of time. Okay. During automation.
okay. And
Uh,
this internship
main
I'll not teach any
Okay,
concepts directly implementation. I'll
internship.
not teach any concepts directly implementation. Training will be done in my training batches. This is a different concept altogether. Okay. So the people who are part of my batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4 can join this and they can enroll now. Okay. And this is the one, 5,000 rupees, almost near to 5,000, right? INR is a cost. Yes, that's what, right? Real world projects and case studies only we want to mimic. Okay. Not realistic because everything cannot be automated in the real world. For example, if you take Amazon, they will stop you from automating it. Okay. But we'll try. I'm not saying that we'll not automate, we'll try it. Okay. We'll try to do whatever possible. If they restrict us, we'll stop. Okay. Something like that. Got it, Raj? Raja? Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Anyone have any other questions here?
So I have a doubt actually from this course and internship. Okay, you are telling 5,000 nearly. So if we pay 5,000, we will be able to join this live automation as well as that internship, right? That is the correct, or am I?
One minute, 1 minute. Rakesh, don't draw anything on the screen. Yeah, now you ask me the question, Venkata, Suresh.
Yeah. I have a doubt. Like, if we pay 5,000, that will be come to live automation. This course, I mean, end course, okay? And as well as internship also we can join, or only this one. You
Live
understand?
automation and internship both are same now. Okay, there's no separate internship now. Okay,
Okay, got it.
only the different things are training and live automation projects. Okay, training is separate, implementation
Okay,
is separate. Okay, this purely
okay,
implementation. This batch is all about pure implementation. That batch is all about pure training. Okay, something like that. Got it, na?
okay, got
If
it,
you
got
are not aware of any concepts, you have to join training. If you are aware
it.
of the
Okay,
concepts, okay, then you can join this implementation directly. Okay, at least small idea is also there. You can join both of also. Okay, like that. Okay, it's like flexible. If you want both, you can join both. If you want only one of them, you can choose one of them. Okay, like that. Okay, it's not related. Okay, so you can join anything, whatever you want. Okay, if you want to join both also, you can join. Simple.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, any other questions? So along with that, I'm going to write down here. That is next training batch. This is the internship, right? Next training batch. Next training batch. Timing will be 8:30 p.m. IST to 9:30 p.m. IST, whose price is also that batch price is also 4,999. Okay. So who is already part of my training, they don't have to pay. All my, lifetime access will be there for my trainings also. So one-time subscription only. This also one-time subscription. This training also one-time subscription. You can attend as many number of batches as you want. No problem at all. For this also you have to reach out to Javed. Okay. If you are not aware of Selenium Java concepts, then training batch you have to attend. Okay. Training batch you have to attend. If you're already aware of Selenium Java and if you want, if you are more interested in implementation part, then this batch you have to join. Okay. We're dedicated side hustle projects will keep going on implemented. Okay. So that's what is the thing. Simple words. Okay, guys. Any other questions?
One
Hello.
small clarification.
Yes, Henry.
What's the difference between the various project and the side hustle project? What are the different concepts?
What is the difference between?
Various project and then side
Same
hustle
only, same
project.
only. Side hustle projects means various projects only. Okay, there's no difference. Okay, if I put it like this, it will be easy, I think so, right? This
Okay.
is called as side hustle. I'm just calling it terminology wise, I'm calling side hustle. Okay. Like if you didn't get an opportunity to work in your company, right? This you can treat as a project that you have worked at. Okay. Something like that. Yes. Yes. Uma Devi, if you enroll in training batch, you can attend weekend crash course also. You don't have to pay anything. That's part of the training only. Okay.
Hello.
If you enroll into Snehal, if you enroll into live automation, you cannot attend training. For that, you have to enroll separately. Okay. Live automation and training batches both are different. Okay. Yeah, Rakesh.
If I enroll already, then I extra pay this live automation
or free
No.
application?
Batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4. If you are part of any of these batches, for this, you have to join separate. Okay.
So it's mean I will pay
This is
more
live
5,000.
automation. I didn't get that, Rakesh. Come again.
Uh, it means I will pay more 5,000 rupees.
Yes, you have to pay 5,000 rupees more. Okay. For
Okay, live
this
automation.
separate. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can attend any training batches, but not this one. Okay. This is separate thing,
Okay.
separate initiative.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Anyone have any other stuff here? Any other questions? Anyone?
Classes from tomorrow or coming Monday
From
onwards?
tomorrow, we'll start something tomorrow. Okay, 2 days. Okay. If you don't even want to miss that, join as soon as possible. Okay. So we'll start it. Somehow we'll start. Already it is there. People are there. Okay. People are internship. People are already there. We don't have to have a particular time to start. But as soon as possible, you join means you will not miss anything. That's the only thing we can say for now. Okay.
Yes.
Because you have the entire day, right? If you have to do any payment to Javed or something, right? You have the entire day tomorrow. Anyhow, this is going to start at 7:15 p.m. So by that time you can decide, guys. Okay, you have enough time.
First class will be free or
No free at all. Okay. This
Mhm.
session itself is, I demonstrated something already. This is how it is going to be. Okay. This is a fun one of the test cases I have automated. I can show you. This is how we are going to write the code and showcase every day. Every day, this kind of test cases will be like 500 plus going ahead. Okay. One by one, we keep on adding. Okay. That's what initially it will be looking like. Over a period of time, we'll change some plans. Okay. You cannot access the recording sessions if you have not enrolled. Okay. Only the people who enrolled will access the recordings. Manjusha, only the people who have enrolled into the trainings, they can access the recordings of the training. Only the people who have enrolled into this live automation stuff, they will be able to access the recordings of the live automation. Okay, separate thing.
And also that 500 test cases is by using the page object model, TestNG, Cucumber, which are
Initially not, future. Okay, in future. Okay, once initial thing is like solving challenges, automating the stuff. Once we reach a good amount, then we'll decide about the frameworks, implementations, and all those stuff. Okay.
okay.
Initially, it will be automating. Focus will be more on automation, solving challenges. Okay.
Yes.
Later, we'll take a framework and move this scripts into that framework or whatever we'll do. Okay, like that. Yes, no need to
Sir,
pay if you are already part of internship. Okay, no need to pay. Vedamurthy, you don't have to pay if you are already part of internship. You don't have to pay. You are by default part of this.
sir, one question.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm working in Playwright TypeScript.
Mm-hmm.
Here, their framework is like very structured manner. They are using dry method. They are not even repeating the single line actually. It is
Mm-hmm.
completely structured. In this course also, shall we expect something like that or how, sir?
Here we are starting with Selenium Java, right? But you are asking about Playwright. So in Playwright, what you are asking basically?
No, sir, like they are also using same, sir, in Cucumber BDD.
Okay, fine,
There
no
are
problem. Hmm.
Cucumber BDD with page object model.
Yeah, we'll also use the same thing.
Yeah, there it is completely structured, sir. Sir, actually, I have gone through
Structured in the
your
sense, what do you mean by structured?
structured in a sense like from one method to another method, so many methods they are calling
Yeah,
internally.
that keeps happening when you go to the next levels. Okay. Initially, it will
Okay,
not be there. We'll not teach you directly like that. Okay. Once we go to the level, right, we'll structure it. Okay.
okay, sir.
Structuring
Because I
process,
have
don't worry. Because as part of teach training sessions, also we'll cover that. Okay. Not just live automation. In trainings, our trainings, right, structuring is all. We work on the frameworks and structure it. Okay. Don't worry.
yeah, actually I have gone through your YouTube free hybrid framework, sir. 7 hours 52-minute framework is there, no, sir?
Yes,
Two
yes.
2 years.
Since I cannot record everything, right? You see, everything I'm not covering in the YouTube. Okay. So in trainings, we are covering more. Okay. So more discussions are happening, and we are taking them to the next levels, frameworks to the next levels in the trainings, not in the YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine, fine. Okay. Yeah. Building the frameworks will be mostly part of the trainings, but we'll try. Okay, we'll try. We'll give a try. Okay, if it is possible live, we'll try. Okay. So I'm not saying no for that, Snehal. If a lot of people request that, I'll do that. Not a problem. Okay. We'll do different ways. Okay. So whatever saves time, we'll do it first, and later, if there is more time, we'll keep building the frameworks also. That's also fine. Okay. And at the same time, our weekend crash course batches will happen. Something will keep going on. You'll be there here and there. Okay. Something like that. Okay. So. I recommend everyone to be part of these two batches, okay? Live automation batch and training batch, so that you'll not miss anything from our university. Yeah. There is no duration. This is a side hustle projects. After one project, another project will start. Okay, so there's nothing to stop there. Okay, we'll keep on doing something on a daily basis, on a weekday basis. Okay, not weekends, but weekday basis. Okay, it keeps going. Only one time subscription. It keeps going. There is no end line, and all the recordings will be available. You can whenever you are free, you can watch one video and practice. Keep it aside and go to another video. Watch it if you are unable to. Yes. Any other questions? Guys, final call for the questions. Initially e-commerce, later we'll go to HRM kind of stuff, and different complex applications also will take. Okay. Initially we'll start with e-commerce because already this many number of test cases are already ready for us to automate. Okay. So we'll start with e-commerce. Yeah. A lot of challenges will be solved, guys, like email automations, whatever it is. Like a lot of people face a lot of challenges, right? We'll take a lot of challenges during this process and automate before you, okay, live, so that you'll
And
get the
also,
confidence of automation.
one of the test case like automating the UI part that also going to cover UI automation.
Automating the
UI,
UI.
UI.
Yes, we
Like
can
for
do that. We
example,
can
in
do
this
that.
study,
Like to what extent we can automate, we'll automate definitely. Okay, because we have to make it
yeah.
realistic, right? Unrealistic, we should not make it. Okay, so whatever that is realistic to be automated, we will definitely automate. Okay, and we'll explore a lot of other stuff
Okay.
also, like what is there in the market and what is the best approach here at that point of time. We'll discuss that. Okay, don't worry. Yes, you can enroll
Arun,
Umadevi. Umadevi, you see, if you already have some knowledge of Selenium Java and if you want to first enroll into live automation, you can enroll. And in future, if you really want to enroll into training, you can also enroll again. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's possible. That's possible, Umadevi. Yeah, next question, please.
Arun, my common question is,
Hmm.
what about the API testing?
API testing, I told you, right? Weekend crash course will cover that in the coming days. Okay,
So you
we can.
will teach rest assured as well.
Yes, everything I'll teach, but it will be on weekends as a crash course. Okay. Because we are not getting time on the weekdays, so I'm shifting that to the weekends. One every weekend one topic will be there anyhow. As part of that, since you are already part of that, you can directly attend that. No issues. Okay, I'll announce one day that this weekend we are going to I'm going to teach you on API or rest assured or something based on the topic. You can join that weekend. Okay, you can jump onto that trainings. Okay.
Mhm.
Weekend timings 11 a.m. 11 a.m. trainings will start, and it will go around, sometimes 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. also. We don't know. Okay. Very detailed and, detailed like crash course. It's a crash course with detailed duration, more duration. Yes, I'll share. Each and every code I'll share in the GitHub repo. Yes, notes will be shared, lectures will be shared, recordings will be shared, our code will be shared, everything will be shared. Don't worry. Snehal, are you planning for any separate internship or training session focusing on framework building? No, no separate sessions. Mostly they will happen on weekends in the coming days. Currently, also, if our training batch is going on, where framework building is going on, you can be part of that. If you want, if you are part of our training batch, you can be part of that. Okay, is that clear, Snehal? As part of training, we are already covering that, but as part of live automation, if maybe to some extent we'll cover. Okay. Otherwise, you have to register to our training batch and then you can enroll yourself there. It will be on weekends or weekdays. It will be covered to you. Okay. Currently, the people who are interested in frameworks, right, join right away to our training batch because 8:30 p.m. IST daily we have sessions, right, where we are going with frameworks only. Okay. Yes, CI/CD Jenkins also will be covered as part of trainings and live project also. There will be references for that. Okay, don't worry about that. Implementation references will be there for live automation. Okay, as part of CI/CD and etc. Here, simple thing guys, in training, teaching will be there. In live automation, implementation will be there. Okay. Live thing, implementation will be there. Okay. These are two different batches where more implementation, if you want, you have to be part of this. If you are already knowledgeable and if you want to explore more and you want to do more side projects and all, you have to be part of this. Otherwise, you have to be part of training, or you can be part of both also. If you need both, you can be part of both also. Okay. That's the plan. Navin, clear na? Everything will be covered. Don't worry. Yes, you can join Ram. Okay, directly you can enroll into this live automation, no problem at all. If you already have some knowledge of Selenium Java, you don't have to be an advanced person in Selenium Java. At least basic knowledge of Selenium Java is also fine for this batch. Okay, live automation batch. Okay, great. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone have any other questions? Yeah, welcome guys. I hope I have answered all your questions. So maybe just take time. I'm not saying that exactly 17th we'll start. Tomorrow we'll start something. But you may take time if you are not in a hurry. You can take time. Mostly Monday it will be more serious. You have the time. Okay. So we'll do something on 17. We'll not keep idle, but we'll not keep idle on 17, 18. We'll do something. Okay. We'll do something tomorrow and day after tomorrow. But if you don't even want to miss that, you can join us, sir. Okay, I'm fine. I want to miss something, but seriously, anyhow, it's going to start from 21st. You can start on 21st only. Not a problem at all. Okay, it's up to you guys. Okay, up to you to decide. So, guys, from my side, that's all. That's all I want to communicate with you so that you can take a wiseful decision and join our respective batches. Either you can be part of training, or you can be part of live implementation part, or you can be part of both, whatever suits you. Okay, you simply have to reach out to Javid here at this Telegram group and WhatsApp number. You can reach out to Javid and get the help. Okay. Yes, recordings also can be accessed. Okay, no problem. If you miss something, recordings can be accessed. No problem at all. Okay, if you join later also, recordings will be accessible for you. Okay, previous and all the current recordings will be accessible to you. Don't worry. Okay, if you miss any sessions, if you join late, doesn't matter. Okay, all the recordings will be accessible. Don't worry. Fine, guys. With that note, I would like to end here. Okay. Thanks for attending this session and being there till here, guys. Till this time, that's really appreciated. Okay. I really appreciate you guys too by staying this till the end of this demo session. Thanks for your time, and I hope everyone will be interested and will be joining our respective training programs and implementation batches. Okay. See you there, guys. Bye, everyone. See you. Yeah. Bye, everyone. See you. Thank you for that. Bye.